Today I want to recreate this beautiful painting I found on Pinterest, and for that we need these old colors, a little more water, and first we want this green. So this green mixed with this green, and we want to add all over this painting this green color. So I will add it maybe, I don't know, here and here, and also here and here. So we need this green all over the place, like this, and here. Somewhere around this door, maybe even on the door, and that is all. And now, because I have a sheet of paper, I want to dry this. And now we will take super tiny brush and we will take this brown color and we will paint these branches. So very loose, very irregular, and behind this roof. Not over the roof, just behind it. And if we see that somewhere we need more, we will add more branches like this, maybe. And also maybe a little bit here and here and here. So that is our tree. And this tree is here a little bit thicker. On some places, maybe also here. Somewhere it has thicker branches, somewhere not. And this is our tree for now. So maybe also here a little bit thicker, and that is that. So now I want this roof to be like rusty, and we will add after the black, but for now we need this to be like underpainting, like a little bit rusty here, here and there. So not all over, but just here and there. And maybe also this part on the wall. Because here is wall, and here are roof also, and some parts are more rusty, some are a little bit less rusty, but this is a little roof on the wall, some protection, or I don't know. This is like Chinese or Japanese, I don't know, Asian painting. So they have these little roofs on the wall. And that is that with our roof. So now I need to paint with a little bit of this stones here, here, and this is our stones I don't know, on the street. This street is from the stones. So all the Romans also built this kind of roads with the brick and with the stone. And so we want to show these stones here on the road. But not everywhere, just here and there. And that is that. So now we want this door to be red, bright red first. Then after we will add some shadows. But for now, our door will be super red. And this. And I need this door to be like from the wood, and that's why I'm painting like that. And this part of the door and the upper part will be in shadow, so we will add a bit of darker color there later. But for now, that is that. I want this tree to also have red, but I don't know, will we use different brush? First we will add this, maybe later we will use other, I don't know, we will see. So little petals, flowers from, I don't know, and on the roof of course, because sometimes it's falling down. I know that sakura is from cherry tree and it is pink, not red, but I don't know how to say red sakura from some other tree. Now we are trying. So that is that. Now we need to add gray, and our gray will be, let me see, this one look blue, but if we mixed with this and add more water, it will be gray. We will add this black on the tree also, because we want these branches to be more visible. And now we're adding this gray around this roof. So now it's enough with this brush, and we will take this bigger brush and we will add some shadows with it all around, like for example here, and also here and here. Maybe this wall is not very clean, so we have some shadows here, and we also have some splashes on the wall like this, because this is like old house and old wall, and I want to do like this, and also to have some shadows here and there. And also I want to mix this color with much water and add a little bit of shadows here all over these stones. So this water, yeah. So now we can take a little bit of this and put on our door. And here also. And I want to add a little more darker red. And I want this same red on the roof, and maybe a little bit on the ground, because if it's on the roof, it must be on the ground also, and in this roof. But not too much. And now I'm not satisfied with this gray. This gray like is disappeared from my painting. So we will dry and we will add more of this gray on the door, and like this. And this can be more, a little bit here and also here. So now we will add a little bit of this Nassau broad pen. It says, I don't know which number, not saying which number, but it's like a little chisel nib. So we will use this part of super tiny, and we just here and there need to have this black, because we want our painting to be more, to this tree to be more visible. And here, so that is that. I think that's it. And then I want to make this roof also a little bit more visible. So we will add like this. This. And here some shadows. And I need a knob on this door. And like this. Here also. And this roof. And this. The stones also. Oh my god, this is so smelly. It is alcohol, probably. And a few spots here and there on the ground. And now I want to connect everything of that with a little bit more water. So we are going to do this and this, this. So it is waterproof, okay. This is good. No, I didn't know for that. For now, this is very new. And I think we have our painting very beautiful. And I just realized that I need to add some lines on the door, because these doors are not from one piece, they are like from two pieces. Maybe something like this, very lightly. And more on this back here, and a little bit of here, of course, also. And that is our painting. I'm very satisfied with it. Thank you so much for watching. And that is all from me today. See you another time. Bye.